No! Is everyone okay?
I'm so hungry. Hungry? Angry? Need food.
Call you Scarab? Scarab? Rub!
Thing is so confusing. But sandwiches are simple, right? Just 2 slices of bread and unlimited possibilities.
Oh, he lost his glasses. It's a whole thing. Do you remember what Cleo said?
Yep, wait!
I'll write it.
This is like the most dangerous party game ever.